Number 11, y equals 76 and y equals x squared minus 5. The graphs of the given equations in the xy plane intersect at the point x, y. What is a possible value of x? There's two ways to do this. One is using a graphing calculator. The other is mathematically. Your mileage may vary, whichever is easier for you. Personally, I think mathematically is a little quicker, but there's nothing wrong with doing it in the graphing calculator. You have access to that on this test, so absolutely use that if you want to. If you put it in the graphing calculator, this is what you're going to get. And I'm not drawing this to scale. This is really zoomed out. You're going to get a horizontal line. That's going to be your y equals 76. And you're going to get a parabola that's going to start down at -5. Again, this is not drawn to scale. And then it's going to go up on either side. And what you're going to want to do is to zoom in and find these 2 points of intersection. Make sure it's very precise that you are getting the point where they cross. When you find that point, y is going to be equal to 76 at both locations. It's kind of the telltale that you've hit the right spot. So whichever of those 2 points, you're going to get those 2 coordinates. You're going to have an x and a y set of coordinates for each of those points. You're going to look at those x values, and then you're going to see which one of those x's is over here. Only one of them will be over here. So that's how you do it graphically. If you're going to do it mathematically, you probably won't have to use your calculator at all. So it says if y is equal to 76 and y is equal to x squared minus 5, you want the places where they're both true, where you could pick an x and a y, plug them in here, and they're both going to be true. So if y is 76 in this one, it needs to be 76 in that one too. So that's how you're going to solve it. You're going to get rid of that y, and you're going to replace it with 76, because you want to know when y is 76, when is this true? What x makes this true? So now we're going to solve for x. First, I want to get rid of that -5. I want to do the opposite. I want to add 5. I need to do that to both sides. 76 plus 5 is 81. 81 equals x squared. To undo a square, you need to take the square root. So I'm going to take the square root of both sides. And what times itself equals 81? What's the square root of 81? That would be 9. But just remember, when you're taking a square root, you want it to be positive or negative 9, because both of those squared would be 81. So there's our x for those 2 points, positive or negative 9. Since y is always 76, one of those points is going to be 976, that point of intersection, and the other one will be negative 976. And they want to know just what's a possible x. That's why they use the word possible, because there's 2 x's it could be. And we have our 2 x's here of 9 and negative 9. So let's look at our answers. And sure enough, there B, negative 9. That is our answer. Hey guys, if you want to help me keep making these videos, please check out my Spreadshop and Etsy stores. Links are down below, where you can find fun things like this slightly sarcastic coffee mug or this slightly arrogant sweatshirt. And if this was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know so I can keep helping you and others like you. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.